One of the most used tools in Autobody is a die grinder. You can cut almost anything with it, but sometimes you don't have air, like in a salvage yard, out in a field, or your compressor simply can't keep up. So today we're going to take a look at the SEESII 21 volt 1/4 inch cordless angle die grinder. This die grinder is brushless, super powerful, comes with 2 batteries, wrench, charger, and plenty of die grinding accessories to get you started. The die grinder is easy to use, has 4 speeds, and a handy light up front so you can see what you're doing. This button locks the motor, so again it's real easy to use. Hold the button down and crank this guy tight. One of the most common things to do with a die grinder is cutting bolts, so we'll try it on the lowest speed. And that's a little bit too low. We'll go up to 3. And that worked pretty well. This is a real common bracket you'll find in the hardware, and maybe you have to shorten it. So we'll cut it right across here and see how well that works. Finally, sometimes you're in a salvage yard and you need to cut a piece out of a fender or an old quarter panel. So let's see how that works. Again, it comes with plenty of accessories, so we'll try one of them. We'll try one of these flap discs on the rust, and it's on 2. This is a tool I know I'm going to use, and I know you'd use it a lot too, and that's why I did a review on it. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on the SEESII brushless 21 volt cordless die grinder. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.